All right, folks, let me take you on a journey to the Pride Lands. The Lion King, a timeless tale of bravery, betrayal, and redemption. But it's not just a story about lions, it's a story about life itself. Our tale begins with the birth of Simba. He's the future king, destined to rule the Pride Lands. But life isn't all sunshine and rainbows for our young cub. His uncle Scar, the epitome of jealousy and greed, has other sinister plans. Scar's devious plot unfolds in a dramatic turn of events. He sets a trap leading to the tragic death of Simba's father. King Mufasa. Scar manipulates Simba into thinking it's his fault, forcing him to flee and abandon his destiny. Talk about a low point, huh? Lost and alone, Simba finds solace in the company of a meerkat and a warthog, Timon and Pumbaa. They teach him a carefree philosophy, Hakuna Matata. No worries, it's a fun and light-hearted time, but deep down, Simba knows he's running from his past. Time flies, and Simba grows into a strong lion, but the Pride Lands are suffering under Scar's rule. Nala, Simba's childhood friend, finds him and urges him to return. It's not an easy decision. Simba is tormented by guilt and self-doubt, but with guidance from Rafiki, the wise baboon, he realizes his father's legacy lives within him. It's a turning point, folks. Simba returns to confront Scar and reclaim his throne. The battle is fierce, but with the support of his friends and the pride, Simba triumphs. Scar's reign ends and balance is restored to the Pride Lands. Simba takes his place as king, embracing his true identity and responsibility. Now here's where it hits home. The Lion King isn't just about a lion reclaiming his throne. It's about facing your fears, taking responsibility, and understanding that running away never solves anything. It's a reminder that we all have a role to play in this world, and sometimes we need to confront our past to embrace our future. So next time you watch The Lion King, remember its powerful moral. You can't run from who you are. Embrace your journey, face your challenges, and rise to your destiny. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you enjoyed this story, catch you next time.